How to create a honeypot undetectable token. As you can see, here people can buy but cannot sell. Only the creator can sell the token. You don't need anything difficult to create a token. You just need to copy past, but the code is not free. You can buy it from me, the most reliable seller. It is cheap. Let's get down to the process. So I think you know how to create a file, so I won't tell you this. By the way, we are now doing a full crypto project from A to Z. If you are interested, contact me. And by the way, it is not necessary to create a token to the test network. To make a profit, create in the usual network. First we check that it is, then we go to the pancake swap. I put any amount here, and you count how much you need. And now let's try to sell tokens. As you can see, it is not possible to sell. This download will go on indefinitely. Also, if you want, you can change the infinite loading function in the code to an error and an error will pop up. We can try again and still nothing will happen. About the contract in the project, write to me in Telegram and do not be fooled by scammers.